Hi, my name is Dan Wecker. I'm the executive chef and owner here at the Elkridge Furnace Inn. And we wanted to show off, we're very proud of our gardens. We do all of our gardening ourselves, the other chefs and I. And we're growing a lot of fresh herbs, heirloom vegetables, and edible flowers out here. And every year we're trying to expand it a little bit. And we're very happy to be able to pick things on a daily basis, bring them in and put them in and make them part of our menu. I'm going to prepare 3 dishes very quickly that we're going to be featuring during Garden to Table Restaurant Week in Howard County. I'm going to do a escargot toulonnaise. Toulon's a famous seaport, was the ancient seaport that housed the French fleet of the Mediterranean, and so it's in Provence, and so we're going to do that. I'm going to do some shrimp marinated with a mignonette sauce using shallots, champagne vinegar, olive oil, and fresh herbs from the garden. And then I'm going to do a spinach risotto cake with ratatouille vegetables and a tomato garlic sauce. So I'm going to get to it. We'll start with the escargot. I'm going to add a little butter. We're going to add some shallots. Pour some garlic for the escargot. Some leeks. I'm going to add a little colored peppers just for a little color for the garnish. And of course some wild burgundy snails. While that's cooking, snails are not too bad with French bread. Make some fresh croutons. Smell pretty good too to me. Escargot toulonnaise. I'm going to go ahead and get some fresh herbs. I'm going to chop these up. Our fresh herbs in with our lemon and olive oil. Some shallots. A little cracked black pepper, champagne vinegar, and then that is going on our shrimp. Gives a wonderful fresh taste. Like that. Okay, and the last item is a vegetarian dish that we're going to be serving. It's a great summer dish. Do a basic ratatouille vegetable. We have onions, tricolored peppers, fresh basil, zucchini, yellow squash, and eggplant. So this is a risotto cake stuffed with fresh spinach. And add a little bit of garlic. We have a tomato and garlic sauce. Some fresh basil garnish. I think that's a nice vegetarian entree. So there's 3 things we're going to do for Restaurant Week.